So if you're like me and all of a sudden your Logi Option Plus app stopped working and your mouse shortcuts are not working, I have a quick and easy solution for you guys. First of all, you need to quit the Logi Option Plus app, then head out to Settings, General, Date and Time, and turn this off. You might have to enter your Mac password, and after that you need to set a different time. So I'm setting this to 2025, and after that you need to head out to Activity Monitor, search Logi option or Logi here. It will show you these three apps. You need to select them and force quit them, and after that you can open the Logi Option Plus app again. It will take some time, but it will open surely. Yes, and as you can see, my mouse shortcuts are working. So after this, you can just quit the Logi Option Plus app, then head out to Settings, again Date and Time, and set the time properly. And as you can see, my mouse shortcuts are working properly. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.